Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Natural Hair Addict. It's nice to meet you. Come take a seat, because today I'm going to do boho twist on my natural 4B 4C hair. I know my hair is looking a little crazy, but just stick with me here, okay? Stick with me. And yes, you heard me right, I said boho twist, not boho braids. Now I've been seeing the boho braids trend, and honestly I think it's really pretty, but the thing about me is I absolutely hate putting my hair in braids. I hate it. Oh my goodness. The taking down process is something that I do not like to do. So I decided I'm gonna try the boho thing, but not on braids, but on twists, okay? And I'm pretty sure you guys maybe haven't seen anybody do the boho stuff on twists. So let's find out how it looks together, okay? Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. Please stick with me, and if you find this video interesting, if you learned something, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment what you learned, or if you found it interesting, comment in the comment section. I guess subscribe to this channel, consider subscribing. See, if you're still with me here, you're liking my vibe, so just join the fam. We will be very happy to have you. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. I would like to apologize if the lighting is changing a lot. I am using natural lighting right now, so bear with me, okay? Right, so let's get into this video. So first things first, I'm going to take down these jumbo twists that I have in my hair. I put my hair in these twists when I moisturized it. Oh, it's very important if you are going to do this style at all, whether you want to do the braids one or the twists one. It's very important that your hair is moisturized, like super moisturized. Go through all the steps with the deep conditioning and the leave-in conditioner, and then whatever you use to seal in moisture in your hair. Make sure your hair is very moisturized. After taking down the twist, I'm just fluffing out my hair. Then I take my rat tail comb and I start parting. So I part my first section, and mind you, I am not using any mirrors whatsoever. This is entirely guesswork. So I part off my first section, and then I just roll the rest away so that I can focus on the section that I have here. So now I'm going to first braid for a little bit, just so that the twist is more sturdy, because if I start with just twist, the hair will scatter in like 3 days. So I started with braid first, and then I turned it to a twist. I'm keeping my Eco Styler gel on standby, and as I twist down to the point where I want to bring out a section, I tried to put it in my mouth, but I just found it so disgusting because my hair has so much product in it. Why would I put that in my mouth? So I just looked for a clip that was lying around, and it was a butterfly clip. So yeah, it looks funny, it looks weird, but that's what I had. That was what was handy, so I went with it. Then I twisted the section all the way down, and then used my Eco Styler gel to seal the end. And then when I was done with that, I used the Eco Styler gel to define the section that I had left out and clipped with the butterfly clip. So I've done that section, and I'm actually satisfied with the way the coil came out, and I'm now encouraged to continue with this style, because I don't know if it happens to you guys as well, but sometimes I want to do a style and I start it and I get discouraged in the middle, and I'm like, you know what, nah, and I just loosen everything, pack my hair back in the bun and go to bed. But for this one I had hope. So and I'm pretty sure you've seen the thumbnail of this video, so you know that the style came out all right. But as at the time I was filming, I was honestly a bit nervous. So I just basically repeated the process, starting the section off with a braid and then twisting all the way down, using my butterfly clip to hold out the section to be coiled, then using my gel to seal the end of the twist and to coil the section that is, well, meant to be coiled. So at this point of doing the hair, as you can see, I had done like a lot of sections, and I had had time to practice this leaving out the section to be coiled, and I figured I could do it actually without the butterfly clip. So as you can see, I'm securing that section in my other hand and then using the tip of my fingers to continue twisting while securing the section in my hand. So that way I would have twisted at least a decent distance from the section so that it doesn't interfere with the rest of the twist. I don't know if what I explained just now makes sense, but as you can see, it worked. It was also around this time that I realized that the boho was not really bohoing, and I realized I needed to leave out a little more hair than I was, because so far I had been leaving out just one piece of hair to be coiled per section, like per twist. So I decided to be leaving out 2 or 3 sections to be coiled instead of one from this point on, to see if there will be a difference. Now that I've reached the front, I'm going to take my edge control and just, control my edges so that everything stays in one place. Because if I leave my edges to do what they want to do, you see the whole front of my head, the way it looks chop chop, that's how the hair will be looking. So I need my edge control for the front. So that's basically how I go about doing the boho twist. Start with a braid, twist down, remove the sections I need to coil, and also use gel to seal the ends. And I repeat that process over and over again throughout my head until I'm done. And of course, when I'm attending to the front of my head where my edges are concerned, I would use edge control, because ordinary gel doesn't do much for my edges, so I have to use edge control to deal with that. So yeah, that's basically everything. I'm gonna go and struggle the rest of my struggle off camera, and when I'm done, I'll be back for the final big reveal. Ooh, child, I really love how this hair came out. Like, look at them twists. Ooh, I feel, ooh, the twist looks so juicy, looks so good. Yes. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you like how the style came out, because I do. Honestly, I'm really loving the the loose curls out. I love the boho part of it, but I also love that it's twist, so it's going to be easy for me to take down. So comment down below if you would try this style. Comment down below if you're like me, that absolutely hates braiding their hair, because honestly, I'm not that patient. I will rip my hair to shreds trying to take down braids, so I'd rather go for twist. And honestly, I do not I do not regret it. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week with another video. Until then, like this video, share it with all your friends, drop a comment, and consider subscribing. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye.